Bonjour et bienvenue en français avec Poonam. Hello and welcome to French with Poonam. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les mois de l'année. Today, we will be learning the months of the year, starting from the very first January. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me this time. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Très bien. Now we will be discussing some of the question and answers related to days of the week and the months of the year in French. So the first one is, which is your favorite day or which is your preferred day? Quel est ton jour favori? Which is your favorite day? Or instead of favori, the word can be préféré. Quel est ton jour préféré? Okay, ton means your, quel means which. Which is your favorite day? Which is your preferred day? So the answer would be like this. Mon jour favori est, you have to name the day. It can be dimanche, Sunday, right? Or any day of your choice out of the 7 days of the week. Mon jour préféré est, again, you have to name the day of the week. If you want to say my favorite day, my preferred day is, my favorite day is, suppose Thursday. So you will write, mon jour préféré est jeudi. Right? So this framing of the sentence and this framing of the sentence, it depends on the word that is used in the question. It means the same, right? My favorite day is. Now the second one is, how many days are there in a week? Name them. Il means there are. Combien de means how many. There are how many days in a week? Name them. Il y a combien de jours dans une semaine? Nommez-les. Ou means or, it can be this way. Combien de, how many, jours, how many days are there? This is there are and this is are there. Y a-t-il dans une semaine? Nommez-les. Combien de jours y a-t-il dans une semaine? How many days are there in a week? Nommez-les. Name them. So your answer would be, there are 7 days in a week, right? And you have to name all of them. There are 7 jours. 7 is 7. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. There are 7 days in a week. Now they are, ils sont lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi et dimanche. So you have to name all the 7 days. So these two questions that we have done just now, it can be asked for month also. Like which is your favorite month or which is your preferred month. Or second question, how many months are there in a year? Name them. Right? I hope you will be able to do it. Just like we have done for days, the same thing has to be done for months also. So this is your homework. You can take this as your homework, right? Write the answers for which is your favorite month and how many months are there in a year. Name them. You have to write the answers for both of them in the comment section. And this is the third type of question that we can discuss, before and after, right? It can be your days also and month also. So 2 I am giving for homework and 2 we will do just now. This is learn this Monday, right? So what comes before this and after this? So Sunday is before Monday, so we will write here dimanche. Lundi, and after this mardi. Now this one I am giving you as homework, second one. We will discuss the third one. This is juin, which is June. What comes before June? May, right? So May and May, juin, juillet. And this one is your homework. I hope you liked today's video, and if you are able to enjoy this video, if you are able to learn something new, then please do give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please share it with as many people as you can,